Uline's complete line of shop desks are ideal for organizing paperwork and tools in busy shipping and receiving areas. Uline shop desks come in a variety of sizes and styles, including compact, standard, or cabinet design to fit your exact needs. All feature durable, powder-coated steel construction and legs that can accommodate optional lockable casters for mobility. The compact shop desk's smaller profile makes it ideal for fitting into tighter workspaces. The compact shop desk features a slanted writing surface, a 3-compartment organizer, and a lower shelf for storing equipment or supplies with adjustable leg heights. Standard and cabinet shop desks are available in 2 writing surfaces, a slanted writing surface or a flat writing surface, and include a locking drawer, a 4-compartment organizer, and a lower shelf for storing equipment or supplies. Standard shop desks include a lower shelf for storage and adjustable leg heights, while cabinet shop desks feature a locking double-door cabinet with an adjustable shelf to keep valuable equipment and documents safe. Uline shop desks are in stock and ready for immediate delivery from any of our strategic locations in North America. Whatever your facility needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.